Hi, I'm Seng. Today I will quick brief review about the FeedMe marketing and the membership. So for the marketing membership, divided into 7 sections, which is members, leveling, member store, cashback, promotion, voucher, and feedback. Okay, so for the members, you can check all the members' details, the personal name, contact, visit frequency, and etc. Furthermore, you can export all the members' details into the Excel for your own purpose, and you also can blast an SMS to your customer with only 15 cents per SMS. So for the second part, this is the leveling. Leveling means that you can set the minimum spending amount in order to level up and get the reward. So it can separate tier by level. For example, silver tier start from level 0 to level 10, and the gold tier start from level 11 until level 20. Furthermore, user can customize the reward and voucher for each level. And you can set for the reward pool, which is maybe 60% you can get the reward A, 30% you can get the reward B, and 10% you have no reward for level up. So for the third part, which is the member store, which is you can set for the member package and benefit. Secondly, you can set for the titles and top-up credit. Okay, so for the member package and benefit, which means that you can enjoy the member benefit after apply the membership, and the member can get the reward on the day, or the week, or the month of their birthday. And you can set for the category for each membership type. For example, the 1-year member, under it has a normal and a gold member. And you also can sell the member credit and package at the member store. And this is to benefit the owner to get the member credit first and retain the customer. For example, selling a 100 credit and free 10 ringgit credit. Or the first time membership can get the free meals. Secondly, for the title, the customer can pay to buy the title, which is the membership type. And you can design the different membership type, such as the diamond member, gold member, and etc. And the title can set expired date. Customer can pay to renew their membership. Furthermore, you also can buy the benefits with the title. So for the third, the top-up credit. Credit can be top-up and spending, and you can set to give bonus when the top-up certain amount of credit. So for the fourth is the cashback. Cashback means that you can set for the cashback percentage and for the validity. So for the fifth, which is the promotion, you can apply for the bill and the item promotion, and it can only be used during a transaction, and you can use it for your non-member. For the sixth, which is the voucher, and it can be divided into 2 parts, which is the attraction and the retention. Attraction means that you can create a voucher and share via the link, or you can convert it into the QR code, allow the customer scan and grab it. Then for the retention means that you can set the terms and conditions and to encourage customer to chase or hit the minimum requirement in order to get the benefits. So for the last part, which is the feedback reward, which means that the customer can scan the QR code in the receipt and give the review to your shop, and they will get the reward. So that's all for today. Thank you. Find post system, find T-Tech solution.
So cari post system, cari Aseng.
Find Guinness Phone, find out.
Aseng.
找post system,找Aseng.